Imagine a sky painted with a kaleidoscope of colors, each hue darting and weaving with exuberant energy. Welcome to Papantla, Mexico, where parrots are not merely pets, but flying artists. In the heart of Papantla, a spectacle unfolds daily that captivates both locals and tourists alike. Picture this. Parrots, each more vibrant than the last, take to the sky in a mesmerizing display of aerial acrobatics. Their plumage, a dazzling array of emerald greens, fiery reds, and sun-soaked yellows, lights up the sky like a living, breathing canvas. As they ascend, these feathered artisans perform a ballet of sorts. Swooping, diving, and twirling in the air, they defy gravity with an ease that leaves spectators spellbound. It's as if the sky itself has become an artist's palette, each stroke of color a testament to the parrot's grace and agility. These performances are more than just a visual feast, they are a crucial part of Papantla's cultural tapestry. The parrots of Papantla are not overnight sensations. Their performances have roots deep in the town's history and cultural fabric. The tradition of training and flying parrots in Papantla stretches back centuries, tracing a vibrant thread through the community's past. It's believed that the ancient Totonac people, the original inhabitants of the town, saw the parrots as divine messengers. Their vibrant plumage was thought to mirror the sun's radiant hues, symbolizing light, life, and renewal. The parrot's ability to mimic human speech was seen as proof of their unique connection to the spiritual realm, making them revered beings in Totonac mythology. Over time, this reverence transformed into a captivating tradition. The townsfolk began training parrots to perform aerial acrobatics, their vibrant feathers painting the sky with splashes of color. These performances became a form of storytelling, with each flight acting as a living tapestry, weaving tales of the town's history, its people, and their enduring bond with these feathered performers. Today, these performances have evolved to incorporate more complex maneuvers, but the essence remains the same. The parrots of Papantla are not just entertainers, they are storytellers, cultural ambassadors, and beloved members of the community. Every flight, every swoop, every spin is a testament to Papantla's rich cultural heritage and the enduring bond between the townsfolk and their feathered friends. From their breathtaking aerial displays to their deep-rooted cultural significance, the parrots of Papantla are truly a sight to behold. These feathered performers are not just entertainers, they are living embodiments of a rich and colorful history. Their flights are more than just spectacles, their stories told through the skies, a testament to Papantla's vibrant culture. So next time you visit Papantla, don't just look around, look up and witness the vibrant spectacle of the flying artists of Mexico.